can probably hear the noise from the streets of Berlin because I have just checked into the Pentahotel in Berlin, Köpenick. I'm pretty exhausted, but before I will take a bath or a shower and I will go to bed and fall asleep, I will show you around my room, I will show you a little bit around the hotel, and I will share my general feelings about this hotel with you. So if you are interested in this particular hotel, or in general you're looking for a stay in Berlin, just stay with me. The bed is huge. You can actually see that those are two separate beds. I think that those are two of 120 centimeters. So altogether that will give us like 2 meters and 40 centimeters. I don't know if that can be right, but anyways, it's pretty huge. You can easily put those together or separate them because they have wheels underneath. To be honest, for me, as I'm a rather tiny person, this is far too big for me, but anyways, it's quite comfortable to work in if you like to work with your laptop in your bed, so that's a plus. I have closed the window so you cannot hear the noise, but now we can hear the ventilator or the air conditioning, which is pretty noisy, and that usually annoys me, but well, it is what it is. There is a huge mirror and it's actually looking pretty nice with those little ornaments or flowers or whatever that is. A big mirror is also always a plus. Not in every hotel that I'm staying there are big mirrors. It's a good one. Pretty interesting rack slash shelves for whatever you are carrying with yourself. That is replacing a standard wardrobes that are in more old-fashioned hotels. To be honest, I actually prefer it like that, especially if you're staying only for 1 or 2 nights. You don't want to put everything in a wardrobe. You rather would like to have it somewhere that you can grab it easily and you see what you're actually having and where. The TV set panel is looking quite interesting and quite nice. A little shelf here for little things, little belongings. A desk that's also really nice, especially if you are business traveling or if you are planning to do some work while you are on your way or while you are staying in a hotel. What is really cool is this little internet slash electrical whatever panel. It's really nice that you have all the cords things available here in one place next to the desk, and also nice that you can actually just close and you don't have to look at it if you don't need it. These little thingies I also like when they have the electricity available here next to the bed when you want to, I don't know, have your laptop in your bed and the battery is running low, or if you want to charge your phone overnight and have it next to your head. Interesting lighting panel here. Creating a quite nice, quite cozy atmosphere. A little window, well, it's not little, but having in mind how big the whole room is and how big the bed is, then the window seemed to be a bit tiny. And then you have this little blocking thing that that is not allowing the mosquitoes going into your room. A downsize, there is no fridge. I would use a fridge, especially when it's a bit hotter. If I don't have anything that I want to drink, that I would like to cool, then sometimes I have some sort of a mask that I would like to cool before I will put it on. So if there is no fridge, it's a rather disadvantage of a hotel, especially if it has 4 stars. Let's go to the bathroom. I like this huge 3-sided mirror, and I also like that you have such a lot of space next to your sink. I like it so much because I'm always carrying with myself this cosmetic bag, so then I can just put it here, open it, and have it all available to me. You can clearly say that the best years, the best days of this hotel are clearly over, but it's still decent. It's still fine. It's just that you can see that maybe the bathrooms could use some refreshments, but for sure the shower panel is new, because those kinds of shower panels 100% were not produced at the same time than those. This is pretty disgusting. I don't mean in this particular hotel, but in general, shower curtains, however you pronounce it correctly, are just very unhygienic for me. I really don't believe that they are washing it after every person. Really, I doubt that. Or I'm rather 100% sure that they don't do it. And actually, even on this, you can see that there are stains here. There are holes. But what is even more disgusting is when this wet, awful thing is sticking into your butt when you are showering. Ah, it's so awful. One question: does anyone know what is that for? There are no mini cosmetics, but you have those big dispenser available to you, and there's a shampoo and cleansing body separately. There's also wash. A little shame that there is no conditioner, that there is no moisturizer, but it is what it is. We are carrying all of those with us anyways. A little hanger on the door. This is actually a really small thing that is always making my feeling towards certain room so much better, because this is the easiest thing that you can organize space around yourself. And now I have just locked myself out in the external staircase.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.